Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make Opera GX look better. So let's get started. So if you want to make your Opera GX browser look better, then what you can do is just simply change your themes. So now to change your themes, what you can do is just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So this is the option which is easy setup. Just tap on it, and from here what you can do is just change your easy setup. So in the top you can find this first option which is theme, and now you can just change it to any one of the themes. So this is the GX Classic which we are using. So what you can do is just change any option that you like. So you can use Purple Haze, or you can use Coming Soon, or any one of those options that you like. And after changing your themes, now what you can do is just select the theme that you want. So if you like dark theme, light theme, so you just select one of those themes. So I'll just keep it to dark. You can also change it to light if you want. And after doing that, now you can change your theme wallpaper. So here you can see guys, it's set on theme. So what you can do is just simply tap on custom. And after tapping on custom, here you will find the customized themes. You can select any one of these themes from here. So after selecting a theme, now if you don't like one, then what you can do is just simply add your own theme by tapping on add your own wallpaper, or you can get more wallpapers by tapping on this option. So in this way you can also customize your theme in Opera GX and then make it look better. So that's it guys, this is how to make Opera GX look better. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.